Hello and welcome to today's Solana analysis, where we will be looking at the price structure, price targets and predictions, as well as where we might retrace. We will also be looking at the liquidation heat map, which is going to tell us a very interesting story. And last but not least, some very interesting data, which might tell us what is about to happen next. But let us start off with the structure. We think that we have bottomed in a larger degree wave 4, around the same time that Bitcoin has also bottomed in the start of August and have since been in a 1, 2 and now in a 3 wave. There's also another scenario which we are sharing with our members. If you're interested, check our website. But for now, we will cover for this video our primary scenario, which is this bright blue one. And what we're currently thinking is that we're still in this wave 3, and as you know from our last videos, the hard thing about wave 3s is that you don't really know how far they can go. So one of our price targets, which is not the first one, but the other ones have already been hit, so I've removed them from the chart, is $260. So what that basically means is we think, and of course, not financial advice, you're responsible for your own trades, this is just our opinion, is that we think the price may go here before we see a larger correction. However, it is also possible that the prices go to the next target, which is at around $315, before we see a bigger correction. That is currently our analysis. If, however, we do currently, if we would see a correction, it would be happening around now. And this wave 3 has already topped. And this would be wave 3, and now we go into wave 4, which could be true. It could be, we don't know. We have to wait and see. Then this is the target area where we think prices may go. So basically between 218 and 184. Probably somewhere in the lower region of the support. But yeah, if you want more exact price targets analysis and signals exactly when this correction is happening, just check out our website. We do offer all of that. Now looking at the liquidation heat map before we get to this data, which is very interesting. You can see we're currently on a 2-week time frame with this heat map. What you can see, there is a lot of liquidity down here from 212 to 180. And again, looking at the support zone, 212 here to 180. Basically, this lower part, all of that is a lot of liquidity on the chart, which is a good chance that we might actually collect this. But also what we have to notice is there's a lot of liquidity above us, which has built up since basically this last all-time high break. It wasn't quite a break, but we almost broke since all-time high is also not quite true. The local top and the almost break of local top. Since then we have seen a lot of liquidity build up here, and this will sooner or later get liquidated. The question just is, do we see one more correction into these deeper price areas before that? We certainly do think it is coming. Whether it's coming now or it's going to take some more price development to the upside, there's currently no way to tell. Now, looking at the last chart for today, which is going to tell us something very interesting, as I've said, the funding heat map. So across the board, funding has sort of ramped up until the 12th of November, and since then, well, decreased slightly, but then again, these past few days, well, yesterday and the day before yesterday, has increased. And now if we look at Solana, it went to 31%, 36, 29, 16, and 11. So funding is basically as low as it has been in these past 2 weeks. And we're also near the local top, which basically means that there is, in our opinion, a good chance we push higher and collect those upside price targets we have on the chart. But I think that is enough said for the video. If you're interested in chart analysis, price predictions, and all of that, please do check out our website. It's the first link in the description. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.